How to fix TikTok cannot add link in bio. So hi guys, today I'm going to talk about how to fix TikTok can't add link in bio. To fix the issue of not being able to add a link in your TikTok bio, you must meet TikTok's eligibility requirements. TikTok strictly requires either 1,000 plus followers or a registered business account to unlock the clickable website feature. So for that, open your TikTok app. Now to check your followers count, tap on your profile at the bottom right and then look for the followers. You must, as I've already said that, you must have at least 1,000 followers. If you recently crossed this threshold, it sometimes takes a day or two for the website field to appear in your profile settings. Now to switch to a business account, tap on the three-line menu at the top right corner, then go to Settings and Privacy. Now go to Accounts and then tap Switch to Business Account and then follow the on-screen prompts. Now, once you meet the criteria, just go back to your profile and then tap Edit. Now tap on Links or Website and then paste your URL. Once you paste it, tap Save. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.